Central Standard Time. At 5:04 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Monroe, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in Texas include Monroe, Broadhead, Monticello, Albany, Judah, and Attica. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter. Protect yourself from flying debris. In the Rocky Mountain has issued a tornado warning in northwestern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south central Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:31 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Albany, or 8 miles northwest of Broadhead, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicating rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations affected include Stoughton, Oregon, Evansville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Magnolia, Dayton, Attica, and Cookeville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Or you can just use tornado. Source, weather suppliers confirm tornado. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations affected include Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Johnson Creek, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Toshtown, Fulton, Albion, Hebron, Utica, Rockville, Knoxville, Cookeville, and Indian Ford. Repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a